I screamed at my mom last night, Dr. Sinclair, not because I wanted to, but because I snapped. And now the guilt is hitting me like a ton of bricks. I know you've been there before, care partners, and if you hate yourself afterward, then please stay with me. Dementia caregiving has a way of pushing you to your emotional limits, especially when your loved one with dementia repeats themselves for 30 times or snaps at you for just trying to help them. In today's video, I am going to walk you through what to do after a meltdown, your meltdown. How to recover, how to repair, and most importantly, how to prevent these outbursts from happening frequently. Notice I said frequently and not ever again, because you're human, care partners. For those of you who are new here, my name is Dr. Sinclair. I'm a neuropsychologist, dementia care specialist, and founder of the Confident Caregiver Academy. Let's jump on in. The first step to recover and repair, care partners, is first to pause and reset. When you've lost your cool, your brain has just fired up in a fight or flight situation, and you need to give yourself a moment to decompress, to relax. Give yourself at least 60 seconds. Breathe, deep inhale, slow, forceful exhale out. The relaxation is actually on the slow, forceful exhale out. Deep inhale again, care partners. Slow, forceful exhale out. Feel your feet against the floor. Feel your feet against your socks, your shoes. Move up to your ankles. What do you feel there? What sensations do you notice? Is it your socks? Is it the air against your ankle? Move up to your calves, your knees. Keep going up your body. Take that moment, care partner, to ground. That's how you ground. You can also count backwards from 10 with a deep inhale in between. 10, slow exhale out. 9, slow exhale out. And so on and so forth. Why is this important, care partners? Your nervous system needs a signal that you're safe again. Once you've activated your fight or flight response in your body, you don't want to re-trigger yourself again. So you want to give yourself a moment to breathe and compose. Step 2, care partners, acknowledge what just happened. Perhaps you can say something to your loved one with dementia. I'm so sorry, I just lost my patience. I lost my patience with you just now. Please forgive me. Try to avoid saying something like, I didn't mean it, or that happened because you just XYZ. Try and avoid those, care partners, and instead just own it. I'm so sorry. I lost my patience with you. I love you. And say it gently. Tone matters more than words ever will with a dementia-affected brain. So a gentle, I am so sorry. I lost my patience with you. Please forgive me. That's enough. That's enough, care partners. Step 3, use touch or presence. What do I mean by that? Well, if it feels safe and appropriate, care partners, after apologizing, feel free to extend your hand, have your loved one place their hand in yours, and sit beside them. Matching your breath to theirs is a wonderful way to co-regulate without needing any words. Just a deep inhale, slow exhale out. Step 4, invite connection back in. Suggest a micro moment. That can look like, hey, want to listen to our favorite song? Hey, want to take a walk? Want to help me fold towels? These tiny shared moments restore safety. Step 5, care partners, is one of the most important steps here. You have to forgive yourself out loud, preferably out loud. That can look like, that wasn't the best version of myself. I love you. I am going to practice doing things better next time. I love you. The reason that that works, care partners, is when you model self-compassion out loud, your loved one with dementia is able to mirror those emotions. Your forgiveness of yourself becomes their roadmap to re-accept you. You didn't fail, care partner. You reacted. And now you're showing up again. That is love in action. If this was helpful to calm you down today, then feel free to check out the guide below. It's a communications guide that helps to prevent some of these frustrating moments from even happening in the first place. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.